Hi, hello. Your morning sets the tone for your entire day, and the right habits can make all the difference. Before the clock strikes 8 a.m., you have a powerful window to boost your energy, sharpen your focus, and lift your mood. In this video, I will share 20 simple yet science backed morning habits from quick mindset shifts to small lifestyle tweaks that can transform your productivity, health, and happiness all before the rest of the world is fully awake. Join me in this journey of self mastery and unveil your true potential. Watch till the end, you will be glad you did it. Hi, hello, and welcome everyone to my channel of Profound Insights, a journey of learning, inspiration, and discovery where you can learn, grow, and share. Today, we will deep dive into another fascinating topic, so get ready to unlock a world of knowledge and excitement. Before we proceed further, please click on the subscribe button as well as the bell icon to get a notification of insight content, and this will encourage me to come up with more such videos. Without further delay, let's jump right in. 20 simple morning habits to improve your day. Introduction. How you start your morning can shape your entire day. From boosting your energy to lifting your mood, even a few intentional habits before 8 a.m. can make a real difference. You don't need a strict routine, just pick what works for you. Here are 20 such ideas to help you start your mornings with more focus, balance, and calm. Watch this entire video and you will be glad you made a difference in your day. Meditate. With just 10 minutes of meditation, you can relax and quiet the brain. In turn, this can help you be more creative, contemplative, and in touch with yourself. Meditation can help you think efficiently and be more productive throughout the day. Write in a journal. If you have trouble quietening your brain, write in a journal for a few minutes instead. Journalizing has the same effects as meditation. It also helps structure thoughts to solve problems more easily and fix disagreements. Writing can help release stress, boost your mood, and improve your health. Exercise. It can really help you start your day on the right foot. Exercise releases endorphins in your brain. These chemicals help reduce pain, discomfort, and stress hormones, and they boost energy, mental sharpness, and well being. This naturally helps you feel good, in control, and motivated to achieve your goals. Get some sunlight. Exposure to sunlight first thing in the morning tells your body it's time to wake up and start the day. Light stops your body's melatonin production. This is the hormone responsible for telling your body to sleep. As a result, you will be more alert in the morning. If it's still dark when you wake up, turn on the lights in your home. Drink coffee or tea at home. Do yourself a favor and drink your morning coffee or tea at home. This will help you save money and feel more alert before heading out for the day. Caffeine does help people feel less groggy first thing in the morning. And if you need more than one cup for your morning, bring a travel mug with you to work. Eat a healthy breakfast. People who eat breakfast are often less likely to be obese and tend to be less hunger throughout the day. Your body needs food for energy to keep you going, and your metabolism works better earlier on. A healthy breakfast will give you more energy, focus, and a better memory for a more productive day. Spend time with loved ones. Spending time with people you love help boost your mood and energy in the morning. Every breakfast with your family, talk to your friend or family member on the phone, or even plan an exercise date with a friend. Interacting with people who make you smile is a sure way to start your day on a positive note. Make your bed. Making your bed first thing in the morning is a habit that leads to making other good habits throughout the day. If you take the time to make your bed in the morning, you will be more inclined to take on other tasks and achieve goals. Pack your lunch. Packing your lunch every day helps you control what you are eating. It also makes it easier to stick to a healthy, balanced, and budget friendly diet. You are more likely to save money and ignore unhealthy carvings at work if you have a healthy lunch packed. Packing your lunch is another routine that helps set your productivity in motion for the day. Set goals for the day. Create a to-do list and schedule for your day that prioritize your goals. Setting daily goals and schedules will increase your chances of accomplishing your goals. When you plan ahead, you will have a clear schedule in mind that drives your productivity. Disconnect. It's common for people to check their phones for texts, emails, and social media alerts when they first wake up. But if you do this, you are more likely to lose focus on yourself, and your morning ends up focused on the stress and demands of other people. So, do something relaxing instead to start the day right. Practice gratitude. Negative thoughts can keep you from accomplishing goals and getting on with your day. So take a few minutes each morning to focus on three things that you are grateful for. These things can be anything. This task can push your mindset towards positive thinking so you can start your day with a positive outlook. Read. Reading is an excellent mental exercise that sharpens your mind and vocabulary. If you take time to read the news in the morning, you can be aware of current events, and it doesn't hurt to learn something new each day by reading a bit before heading to work. Work on a personal passion project. It's easy to put off working on a personal project such as art after a long day at work. By the time you get home and unwind, your mental energy is probably spent. To avoid losing motivation, set aside a time early in the morning to follow your passion. Drink water. Since you go hours without drinking water overnight, you end up dehydrated in the morning. So the best thing you can do for your body is drink 1 or 2 glasses of water when you wake up. This replenishes your hydration stores and kickstarts your metabolism for the day. For an extra energy boost, add lemon to your water. Breathe deeply. Taking a few deep breaths each morning can help relax and clear your mind and prepare you for the day ahead. Deep breathing will reduce stress, improve circulation, and boost brain and heart health. So, no matter how busy or stressful your day is, you can take on your challenges with a clear head. Stretch. To improve your blood circulation after a night of rest, stretch out your muscles the moment you wake up. Stretching also helps improve posture. Healthy circulation and posture will help you throughout the day, especially if you sit at a desk all the day. Get up right away. Hitting the snooze button won't help you in any way. In the 10 extra minutes of snooze time, you won't have quality sleep, and you will lose valuable time in the morning that could go towards productive activities. So get up with your alarm the first time and make the most of your morning. Create your own routine. Don't waste time and brain power on making low level decisions in the morning. Instead, follow a routine that works for you. You could stick to the same breakfast and pick out your clothes the night before. Follow the same morning routines each day so you don't have to decide what to do when you first wake up. Wake up early. Waking up earlier gives you more time to do the things you enjoy before the workday wears you down. Waking even an hour earlier will benefit your morning routine. Instead of rushing to complete your morning routine, you can take your time. Once you have made a habit of rising early, your body will adjust to this new sleep-wake cycle. I hope you enjoyed this video and that the information was useful in unveiling your true potential. Stay tuned for more informative videos that can enhance your lives and make them more rewarding. As we conclude this incredible journey together, remember that the adventure doesn't end here. Keep exploring other such videos at Profound Insights under the Self Mastery Unveil Your True Potential playlist. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more insightful content, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback will motivate me to create more videos like this. Until next time, stay inspired, and keep reaching for the stars. Thank you.